My fellow Americans, the countdown to Armageddon is on. As usual, Congress is waiting until the last possible second to identify the $1.2 trillion in cuts. Armies of politicians and bureaucrats alike are working night and day to find the necessary savings. And yet, with all of these people and the months to accomplish it, they claim they cannot find enough budget items to cut that they can all agree on. Now keep this in mind, $1.2 trillion over 10 years. So, I've authorized my crack team of researchers to ferret out the programs that can be cut or reduced. I've instructed them to leave no stone unturned. To accomplish this goal by any means, as long as they got it done in 20 minutes. Surprisingly, it only took them 10 minutes. Here we go. Number one, $90 million per year for free mail for Congress. Email. You ever hear of that? Number two, $146 million per year for first-class airfare upgrades for federal workers. Next time you're walking through first class on your way to coach, ask those sitting there gorging on unlimited peanuts and drinking from a real glass, how many of you work for the federal government? A bunch of them. Number three, $3.6 billion to run the UN. Last time I checked, Hugo Chavez and Mahmoud Ahmadinejad had agreed to insult us for free.
Cynical, hypocritical, full of this imperial hypocrisy.
Number four, cut $200 million from the presidential travel budget. Ever hear of Skype? Number five, cut $30 billion in farm subsidies. I think Ted Turner, Scottie Pippen, John Bon Jovi, and Bruce Springsteen can make it without them. Number six, cut $30 billion from the Department of Energy. We do not need oil subsidies, compact light bulbs, or more cylinders. Number seven, let's cut $1 million from the budget for sanctuaries for albino squirrels. Number eight, the Department of Education, making dumber students since 1979. Cut it out. Save $77 billion. Number nine, eliminate the EPA. Save $10.7 billion. Make an instant 40,000 jobs by drilling for oil and building a pipeline. Add it all up, multiply by 10 years, you have $1.5 trillion. Oh, crap, we've cut too deep. Well, let's put the albino squirrel housing back in the budget. After all, the Senate refused to cut it. Why should we? So easy, even a game show host can do it. I'm Chuck Woolery, trying to save America $1.2 trillion at a time. And I've really outdone myself.